Okay, good afternoon YouTube friends once again. This is another vlog today. So we have this chicken's manure that are already composed, and we will mix this one with our garden soil. We will be planting a very interesting vegetable. Even me, I'm excited because this vegetable was given to me by an Australian friend. He brought a lot of seeds with him when he left Australia to visit and see his family here in Thailand. And his daughter is a student of my wife. So I have to. Okay, lately I seeded tomato, two varieties of eggplants. We have F1 hybrid. I don't know if it grew because it was already expired, together with cabbage. But we have another variety together with this beetroot. Beetroot, yeah, uh, from Australia. I hope you can see that one there. So I have this large, like this old box in which this one used to have clothes in it. So it's already old. The previous owner of this house have already thrown this into the garbage pit, and I took it back. I do some scavenging there, and then I got it now here. But these two pots, we bought this one for like 20 baht per pot, 100 baht for 12 pots, 100 baht per dozen. So, and this has been like 2-3 years already with us. Now we're ready for planting these seeds here. Okay, I think we need scissor. Sorry. It's made up of paper. What? 200 seeds. My goodness. You cannot grow this one right into this box. So we have to add more. Okay, now we plant here. Okay, this will take time with your friends, but we will make sure that the seeds is quite different. Wow, this is the texture of the seeds. I planted beetroot here before, but I bought the seeds right there at the local store, but it doesn't look like this. Okay, so what I'll do here, do like this. And we will do some seeding later on, or thinning, sorry. I will do some thinning. And what does it mean when we talk about thinning? That means you are taking out all those unhealthy plants and let those healthy plants stay until they mature and they provide, give you some good harvest for the crops, the fruits. I guess I have to bring the big pots there outside. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we got here. And we'll put this pot aside. We'll replace that pot with this one that has already soil. That means, how many minutes already? It's like 6 minutes, right? Okay, time to add more pots here, your friends. 7 minutes. Okay, we'll make this one faster. As time is really important. I think I'll add some soil in here from the previous planting. I planted like around 100 plants of strawberry, but because this is polyethylene plastic, it was a strawberry that I planted here, but they all died as I lose interest of continuing the gardening since the family dog died, and so much problem in our family that happened at the time. So right now, you two friends, actually I'm just trying to stay afloat. I'm trying to encourage myself to enjoy my time in gardening, and I just back into teaching. If you have a friend who is depressed, who suffer depression, do not make fun of them. Depression is not a joke. Right now, I'm just trying to stay afloat. So it doesn't mean here that I'm smiling, I'm enjoying the garden, I'm already okay. I'm still very, very far from a healed person. Just a little bit of problem, I'm already triggered. I'm very unpredictable. My wife is happy that the composure, the patience that I have with the students at school is really extraordinary. Here at home, just a little bit of problem, I'm already exploded. And it's a fact. So we have to cover the seeds. The birds might come, and only to find it out you don't have any beetroot seeds already here, and then The beetroots will grow somewhere else in the farm, in some other neighbor's farm, because the seeds was eaten by the birds. They will not cover the seeds much. I just have to protect the seeds from the birds. Okay, so with your friends, the remaining seeds will be planted here. And this is a rush garden planning. Okay, very rush planning, but I don't have any other time within the week. I only have time during weekends, Saturday and Sunday. So like 1 or 2 days I can work in here. Okay, so I think we put a lot of seeds there in that pot, that box. So maybe we will transfer some of those seeds there, right here. Okay, still, and then we will put this magic water. Actually, it's not magic, with your friends. This is a nitrogen rich, a nitrogen liquid. This is made of water and a fermented leafy vegetables with molasses. I fermented molasses and some sweet potato leaves, pigweed plants, spinach, and then with, what is that? Oh, I'll give you an update to this, YouTube friends, I think in a week time or two. Okay, today is November 20, 2022, Sunday. So maybe next 2 weeks I'll give you an update here of what's going on, how many seeds grow, is there any seeds that grow, or are they all died. And okay, we have to save some liquid there for our other seeds there on the table. I already uploaded in the video. So today, like we uploaded like 2-3 videos today, YouTube friends. We have one live streaming as well. Okay, I'll be back in a while, or so. Until here I have to wash my hands first, but anyway, it's okay. So this is how we do gardening, YouTube friends. I'm struggling actually how to manage my time between my work and the school, and also my time here in the garden. But I'm trying, despite of the depression that I'm still struggling too as well. So YouTube friends, I'll be back in 2 weeks or 1 week after, and then I think I can show you more progress into this garden enclosure. What are the vegetables that we will have here inside before the end of this year. So thank you for watching in our videos, supporting our channel. Keep sharing information to your social media accounts, and let us grow this ppm organic backyard gardening community into a big one in the coming years. And I have so much planned to this, but at the moment I'll just have to document every activity that I'm doing here in my backyard gardening, in my front yard gardening, and even to the other lot that we also rented and we planted bananas. So I can show you there next time around. So once again, I'd like to see you all in the next vlog. Thank you.